So what you're going to use this toggle bolts, the elephant anchors, is you need a 1/2 inch drill bit. Okay, 1/2 inch drill bit. You might already have these drill bits, right? They have different varieties. They all will look different. Like this one is a diamond drill bit. So drilling on a tile wall, granite wall, we're going to use this kind of a drill bit, right? This is for granite. Okay, now this one is the Condo Mounts M2 drill bit. So this can go on drywall or metal studs. This is another 1/2 inch drill bit. Similar to this, just that this doesn't have any coating whatsoever, so it can rust fast. It's for one-time use. This is for long-term use. This is for cement. So this is a drill bit that being used on brick or concrete, and then you have this is a normal 1/2 inch drill bit. You can find this with a different kind of shank. This is, we talked about this. Okay, you see, this also has a nice shank which can go on any drill bit. This can only go on drywall, cannot go on metal. This is another Condo Mounts one, which is really good, has a head shank. How do you put in a drill bit into a driver? So what you got to do is you got to hold this, pull it up. Okay, pull up this thing. So once you pull that up, you're going to put the drill bit inside and then push it back. It locks into place. It's not going to come out.